What is up guys, Dan on this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Substack. So let's get started. So first, you need to head over to the Substack's website by just typing substack.com to your browser search bar. And after that, if you are new to Substack, you can just simply click on Start a Substack and then enter your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Substack account. But if you already have a Substack account, on the right side, you will see this option of dashboard. Click on this and then you will be automatically signed in to Substack. Now, after signing in or logging in, on the right side, you will see the option of settings. Click on the settings option and then from here on the left side, click on growth features. After clicking on growth features, here you will see a custom HTML code. Click on this copy button and after that, you can just paste it on your own website, your application, or wherever you want to embed Substack to. Now, let's say I want to embed my Substack to my WordPress website. So I will just head over to my WordPress website, and after that, I will click on view my site and then edit site. And after that, I will just click here blankly on my site, and on the right side, as you can see, these are the site settings. From here on the left side, I'll click on this plus icon, and then in the search bar, I'll type in HTML. After that, as you can see, this custom HTML option, I'll just click on it once, and then I'll just click here once in this search bar or the right HTML bar. I will just paste my Substack code and hit enter. And if I want to preview this, I will click on preview. And as you can see, now my Substack profile or subscribe button will appear here. Now, as you can see, this is my Substack and just simply type in your email. And when you click on subscribe, you will be entered to my Substack. So this is how you can embed Substack. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.